Well, here we go. Mr. Long John. Getting the stock fit. Long way from being done. Still in the planning stages. Curly maple tiger stripe stock that I'm making. Gonna build me a brass cock and lever to look like that, hopefully, which is all changed around. Done some sheet metal work on the receiver. Old Jonathan and Mr. Bruce inspired me to do this. So you won't see this video until it's all done. But I actually did the inlet routing on the forestock on my drill press. Went and bought I guess they call it a cove routing bit. In fact, I bought a set of them, did it with that. Anyway, that's it for now. Be back when I got more.